So I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I think this is the latest MacBook. I don't know, like, if they have seasons. Not like fashion where we have seasons, but like, I don't... I probably should have looked this up before I started recording, right?
And it's a ticket talking market for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it.
Hey DMV fam, I'm so excited today. I finally got my package, my MacBook Air. It came today. I was praying it wouldn't come while I wasn't home. I had to run out and get something to eat. And as soon as I was pulling up, I saw the UPS truck. I'm like, thank you, Lord. Like, nothing else has been going well, but this happened to work out. So I'm happy. I'm going to unbox it for y'all. So I've never, besides my iPhone that I just got last year, I think, I've never had any Apple products my entire life. I've always had like Android or Samsung or something like that. So I finally broke down because I was trying to, you know, edit videos and stuff like that when I start a business and start YouTube, and I can't do it all from my little cell phone. So what I decided to do was just go ahead and bite the bullet and get me a big girl computer. So open it up. I hope this box is kind of small. I guess it's like but because it's a small. Oh, it's heavy. So that's what it looks like. I don't know. I wasn't paying attention when I said it was such an impulse buy. I'm just clicking through the website. But I guess there's a bigger one, a bigger laptop. I thought it was just a laptop and a desktop. I didn't know there was like a bigger laptop. I don't know. But I'm fine with this one. It's better than nothing. I haven't had a laptop in years. The last one I had got a virus on it, and the charger apparently got discontinued. So I couldn't even charge it. Like, it was a hot mess. But this is what it looks like, the box. Just plain white box. I don't know a lot about technology, so do not use this video for like technological purposes. It looks pretty. I just got silver. I think they had different colors. Like I said, I was so pissed. I was so fed up. I was clicking as quick as I could until I got to the successfully you have ordered page. Like, I didn't even care no more. Oh wow. I'm fancy with it. It's cold. Whew. It's shiny. Yeah, I ain't used to nothing like this. Okay. How do you open this thing? I guess this is the charger. The cord. USB. It's pretty long, actually. This is, I think, instructions. Welcome to your MacBook Air. Dropping stuff. Oh, that's stickers. Yeah, so it comes with your little instructions and show you where everything is. I think there's something else in here too. No, actually I think that's it. And then this is the adapter piece that you stick into the wall. This part is chunky as hell. I don't know what's going on with these things. Is getting bigger and bigger. Let's see what it looks like. I think it just sung at me or something. Okay, fancy. Will it do it again? Hold on. No, just for that one time. Okay. Oh, the screen came on. Let me flip y'all around so y'all can see what I see. It says Hola. This is so cute. They bougie as hell. So pretty much the whole time it's been on, it's just been saying hello in different languages, like every freaking language you can imagine. So it has this little screen protector. Oh my god, the color though. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Them, well, not pixels, what you call them? The resolution? I don't know, but make sure my hands is clean. Let me wipe my hands off. I don't even want to touch it now. Oh my god. It's so fancy. Is it a touchscreen? No, it's not a touchscreen. Oh my god. Wait, should I wait for it to go back to English before I... Oh, Never mind.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
This thing is so freaking clear, it's not even funny. I don't know if y'all can get how crisp this screen is. Oh my god, I'm tapping the, okay. I don't know how laptops work, y'all. I have not had one in so long. And the one I had actual buttons. Oh, so you gotta put pressure on it to click it. Oh my gosh, I swear. Oh crap. Well, y'all ain't finna steal my Wi-Fi. Hold on, let me do this real quick. I wonder if I can make it brighter. Let's see, can I go on Instagram? Yeah, it comes up. Can I make it bigger? I can have a full screen. That's the full screen? What is that for? What is this for? What does that do? If you have a desktop already, I would say this is really good, but it's a little small. Like, it's just so much not screen. And I don't know if it's something I'm pressing or not pressing. Like, they have the option. But how do I have to do that? I gotta move it my damn self? Can I get rid of that too? Dang, why I feel like as soon as I brightened it up, it got dark again. Well, I'm just gonna turn it all the way up. It seemed brighter when it first came on for some reason. I think my eyeballs just got used to it. Oh, wow. Sheesh. You don't see that color? Goodness. That could not have been a better thing to pop up randomly. Like, that is gorgeous. It never would have looked like that. But I think that's mostly their photography is just great too. It goes pretty smoothly, I guess. I'll be using it a lot. Hey Kev, for Canva. So watching a lot of D-Nice. Yeah, I just wish the screen, like I wish it covered all that stuff too. Uh-oh, wait a minute. Oh hell. So you can pretty much take it anywhere you want to go. Let's look at the YouTube. I feel like it's truly hard to get the right angle. So it looks like really crisp and clean, but one thing that's driving me nuts, I done this about 4 times already. I finally got into my my Wi-Fi, which is good, but the brightness will keep turning itself back down after I keep turning it back up. I don't know how to stop it from doing that. I've unclicked automatically adjust brightness, but it just want to do what it want to do. Like, I don't know like what else to do. I can only like keep it that bright while I'm on it. Like if I step away for a second, it'll go back down, or like I don't know what the case is with that, but I'm not liking that so far. And originally when I had started it wasn't to just sell like, you know, wholesale clothes. It sound kind of, it's a good, you know, it's not super loud. It's a tiny laptop, so it's only gonna get but so big. I mean, but so loud. It's only gonna be but so loud because it's a small laptop. Yeah, so as much as first impressions go, it's okay right now. I think it just got dark again. And it's driving me nuts. I mean, it's cute. You know, obviously it's the most affordable one because it's the smallest one. If you like to be really portable and stuff, because for me, I'm in the basement, so I don't like always being stuck down here, and I'm upstairs a lot of the time, so I think it just got dark again. See, that's what I'm not about to do all day. So I like to be upstairs, or I might want to be in my room, or sometimes I just want to get out the freaking house and go, like, I want to be cute and like sit in a Starbucks or something, you know, drink some coffee, like one of those important people that I would see growing up. Sitting there just they never really look happy though. They honestly never looked happy. They look stressed out. They probably had a whole bunch of kids or something, and that's why they was in the Starbucks. But like, I just want options. I just want options to go somewhere other than just being chained to a desk, you know what I mean, with random noises like that, because you can hear everybody walking. It's hard enough just shooting videos. It's easy when nobody home, but then the air comes on, or the heat it's about to come on right now, then the heat come on, and you know, you got next door neighbors, and I can hear them the clearest when I'm down here for some reason. But I'll keep an update on how it's going, and how it performs, especially with editing videos. Hopefully I'll be able to do everything I want to do. Like, I want to add stuff and add sounds, and I mean, even just adding a subscribe button I couldn't do on my phone. I mean, not my phone, I couldn't do on my computer. It's not a bad computer, it's just old. It's just old. It's not built for what I want it to do. I mean, right now I guess I like it. I'm not in love with it because I don't really know it yet, you know. I'm still dating it. But I'll let y'all know how it go. But that's it, you guys. Thanks for watching my first unboxing and review video of the MacBook Air. So if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, a like, please share it, subscribe, please shop at our boutique, dressedinblackboutique.com. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, and I will see y'all later. Bye.